Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. It's been a while.
Hey.
But we're back here. Michael, say hi to everyone. Teddy. And here's Teddy boy. And I don't know where Ginger is, but she must be around. And yes, guys, I always forget to close my fridge. I don't know why I have a bad habit. But I'm like trying to do better with that. But this morning, guys, I wanted to teach you guys how to do some ham roll-ups. So what I usually do is, this is just ham from the deli. I got half a pound. And I like to buy it off the bone. This is the ham that is off the bone that they go ahead and not, they shave it for you at the deli. And this is a blade number 1. And what I do, I just put a little tiny bit of oil like that on my pan. And I put my hams here, and I'm gonna cook them really nice and brown, just like these two that I just took out. So what I do was, after they're like this, then you put this on low and you let it cook really nice and brown. It has to be on low, so they can cook nice on each side. If you have it too high, they're gonna burn. You don't wanna do that. So what I do was take a little bit of my romaine lettuce here, and I chop a little bit. I like putting cucumbers on it. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. We're gonna do it together. I'm gonna put a little bit of lettuce on each side like this of my 2 hams, see? And then I'm also gonna take a piece of tomato. Can you back up a little bit, Mike? You're like right on top of your mother, niño. Okay, look. And then I'm gonna take, this was a tomato that I took out of the fridge, and I took a little piece and I dice it. I'm gonna put it right on top of one piece there, and then I'm gonna take another one. So you can do these ham roll-ups. I like to cook them because they taste better. So they're a little bit, you know what I'm saying? They've been cured already. So the ham I'm talking about, so you can feel like the salt on it. So they have salt on it. So now we're gonna season it. So when you season, be careful. Okay, I just like to season mine always with a little bit of pepper like that. And then I take a little tiny bit more of salt. As you can see here, if you look at my hand, it's just like a little pisk, like a little tiny little bit. And then I never do roll-ups without putting my mustard. And here's my mustard. So what we're gonna do here, guys, okay, I like to put a little mustard like that for tanginess. And then I take it and I go, a lot of people eat it like that, like you can take it and eat it like that. I like to wrap it around like this, and wherever exactly, I'm gonna come and bring this over here so you guys can see me eating it. Wherever, like I roll it, I eat it right off there. So what I usually do is, you see, I roll it up and then I go like this, and they're healthy, crunchy. You can see your ham nice and toasty, and your lettuce and your tomato, and you can taste the salt of the ham with the mustard, the tomatoes, and the lettuce whipped like that. Is delicious. So I wanted to show you guys how to make these, and I hope you guys can learn how to make it just like me and love them just like I do. Let me take this here. These, Michael, how's it like?
They look
What
real
I'm
good.
doing, take it from there. Tell everybody to watch us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like us. And if you want to donate, you can go to patreon.com, down the link, and donate from $1 to $20, $50, whatever you want, guys. But we love you all. Try to make these and copy them like I did. I'm going to take another bite. I love you all. Don't drink and drive. It's Saturday morning. Nope, Saturday, 1:23 p.m., Saturday the 2nd. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Peace out, people.